good afternoon. By the way, I'm teacher Rosalie Matondo Lagari, a public elementary school teacher for more than 32 years. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way, nandito pala ako sa aking classroom in preparation for the incoming Brigada Eskwela this coming June 1 to June 5 for the school year 2026-2027. So, there are many things na kailangan siyang i-fix. So, yan. Try to do. So, this one, so, try to look at this one. So, yan. From the comfort room to the laboratory, everything inside the classroom need to be fixed and to be enhanced for this coming Brigada Eskwela. So, okay, so i-fix siya before mag-brigada. Ito na. Ano siya nagbara? So, one of the problem here is ito siya nagabara. But ito, i-finish siya. Ito, ayan siya. Wala na siya nagbaran. Bago lang ito siya naayos.